How to amend tax return on TurboTax. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to amend a tax return on TurboTax. So sometimes you might realize that you have made a mistake after submitting your tax return. The good news is that IRS allows you to correct your tax return if you discover any errors after filing. So let's go over when you need to amend your tax return and how to do it using TurboTax. You should amend your tax return if you missed out any deduction or tax credit, you filed under the wrong tax status, you need to add or remove a dependent, or you made an error in income reporting. However, not all changes require an amendment. For example, if the IRS finds a simple math error, they will usually correct it on their own. And now, to correct your tax return using TurboTax, you simply need to follow these steps. First, gather your documents. Collect all necessary documents including your original filed tax return. Second, get the right form. You will need Form 1040X, which is used to file an amendment tax return. And third, fill out the form correctly. Enter the original amounts from your first tax return, show the changes you are making, and report the correct amounts. And at last, submit your amendment return. And once you have completed the form, file it electronically if allowed, or mail it to the IRS. And after the submission, the IRS will review your amended return and make the necessary adjustment. And processing can take up to 16 weeks, so keep your eye on your refund or any additional amount due. And that's it. Now you know how to amend tax return on TurboTax and correct any mistakes in your filing. With this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.